So the Supreme Court is to look at a case and determine or decide what is the definition of a consumer as apprehended by the Consumer Credit Act of 1995. It's a very, very important question. It arises as a consequence of a Limerick couple being pursued for nearly €500,000 by AIB Bank. The couple borrowed money from AIB to develop lands in Slovakia 10 years ago. There is approximately €465,875 due now from the couple to the bank. The couple are claiming, one of the borrowers, the gentleman involved, is a poultry farmer. He had no previous experience in something like developing land in a foreign country such as Slovakia. He says that AIB encouraged him to borrow the money. AIB denied this and said that the couple were absolutely determined to carry out this development themselves. They were also claimed to have been nervous about providing a charge over the family home. Yet they apparently, according to the bank, declined to get independent legal advice, even though they've never denied being advised to do so by the bank. But the question that's to be answered by the Supreme Court is, what is a consumer? Because this couple are claiming that they were consumers. The reason they were consumers is because they were borrowing money, yes, in an investment situation, but not in the trader profession in which the gentleman was experienced. In other words, they're claiming that because we're borrowing money for an investment outside the normal trader profession, then they should be treated as consumers. Now, there's a case from 10 years ago, AIB versus Higgins. It's 2010, 11 years ago. It rejected the proposition that a person who was involved in one profession or trade would have to be treated as a consumer if he was investing in a different business. Both the High Court and the Court of Appeal relied on this AIB versus Higgins case in rejecting the claims of this couple who are fighting with AIB over approximately €500,000. It will be interesting. The Supreme Court's construction of the term consumer under the legislation, that's the Consumer Credit Act 1995, will be interesting, to put it mildly, because it will have significant consequences for all borrowers in Ireland who would be seeking to defend claims against them from lenders on the basis that they are consumers and they should have had the full panoply of protection from the Consumer Credit Act 1995. It will be interesting. As I say, the Supreme Court is to hear that appeal. They've lost the couple from Limerick, pig farmers, both in the High Court and Court of Appeal, but they're getting into the Supreme Court with an appeal now. Hope you find this video useful. If you do, I would appreciate if you gave it the thumbs up down below. Thanks a lot.